Hey everybody, Bradey Gerke with Kruse Auctions, and next to me is a true analog era unicorn. This is a 2002 Acura NSX-T, and these models were built over a 15-year production run, and during which only 49 were finished in factory Imola Orange Pearl. Furthermore, only 42 were finished with an orange interior, which this one has. And what makes this car truly special and considered a unicorn and a one-of-one is combined with the factory color interior. It's also optioned with the automatic transmission, a very rare combination indeed. These NSXs are loved because they are phenomenal driving cars, with initial testing done by Formula One champ and great Ayrton Senna. So if you're interested in this car or seeing some of the other amazing cars we'll have right here in Auburn, Indiana, visit us at cruseauctions.com and we'll see you here.